pink. Oh, the dust.
So the light they can see you better. There you go, you guys can see. Oh, what you do?
The dust mine
Oh.
in my eye.
Mm.
Thank you.
Look how cute she is with her mask. Let me zoom in on your mask. It's a polka dot mask. Come here, gonna be the thumbnail for my next video. Come over here, so. No, just sit on one sit, you know. Turn so. No, the lighting.
Exactly.
Come right here, so. Yeah, no, stop, so. And then look, so. No, look. Yeah. Wow, Corona.
Yeah. You don't want to drop me to the school?
Yeah, man. This is cute, but it's also ugly at the same time. We're in MoneyGram, and I have a mask on my face. I need to wear my proper mask. Are you in line for the MoneyGram? Okay. Good afternoon. It's 1:56, almost 2 o'clock. I'm trying to go to MoneyGram because I'm trying to collect some money for grandma. You know, in these times she's gonna need some money. Well, everyone needs money in these times, but I was trying to help out with that. But I've been to my second location and they don't have enough money to give. The first location ran out of money, the second location didn't have enough. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna work out. I'm on my way to the third one because my GPS took me to, it says a MoneyGram right there, but the pharmacy, I went into it, it wasn't open. And upstairs was the Western Union, and he said that there's a MoneyGram in like half a tree where the clock tower is, so I'm gonna go check that out. But right now I am stuck, capital stuck, because nobody is being a boss ass driver and pushing out. They are this man is so like, if I was up there I would have been gone. Like I couldn't be sitting and push the front of your car out, like push yourself out. They have to stop. They have to stop. And this man won't go, and we've been here for the past 2 minutes sitting for this man, waiting for this man to go. Nobody can go unless he goes because it's a very tight entrance. Yeah, anyways, I'll come back to when I see somebody else a beep. I beep, somebody behind me beep. Now more people are beeping. The man could have easily pushed out like, go, like right now is the perfect time to go. All right, I'm going. I'm back. So I'm at my third MoneyGram, and if I stand in line, well, they're gonna close at 4 o'clock, I think. But if I stand in line and I hear they don't got no money, I don't know how I'm gonna react. Good morning, everybody. Oops, sorry, I just blinked really weird. I'm going to go to, I'm just gonna try to get to Christiana to drop off some medicine, not medicine, the thing that I said I was gonna drop off yesterday, for grandma. Somebody's just gonna meet me in Christiana so I don't have to, like, you know, have direct contact with her. And shit, what I was forgetting was an envelope. So yeah, I was forgetting an envelope. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get through, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna tell them exactly what's up. Like, I have money for my grandma to buy medication. I'm just going as far as Christiana and I'm turning right back same time. I'm not staying, I'm not interacting with anybody. So welcome to my road trip. Welcome to my road trip. Alright, I'm about to head towards St. Catherine to get on the toll, because my friend told me that if I drive the highway, well, I can try to drive the highway. I can try to drive the highway, and just tell them what's up and they'll let me through. So hopefully that's the case. The one thing that I'm worried about worried about is if I do this, will I be able to get back into Kingston from St. Catherine Toll? Like, I don't know which officer or whatever I'm gonna book up into. What if they don't believe me, you know? It is still very packed. Oh my god, it's more packed than the last time that I was here. And it's getting worse in Jamaica, and it's so packed. There's still no social distancing, as you can see. But what you can see is my bag is on the ground. Move, no man. Sure. Sorry.
I would stand up and
I'm gonna pause my music, but right now I'm listening to Division No Good. This album has gotten me in my feelings, out of my feelings, and everything in between. So you should definitely listen to It's a Muse in Her Feeling. I love this album. I love this album. But anyways, fucking hell, Jesus Christ. I walked into the fan. Ow. Ouch. Okay. Quarantine has me going through quite a bit of things. I've had many experiences during quarantine. So this is what it looks like. Mind you, I have a big forehead. So does Rihanna. But this is what I end up coming to terms with. I was getting very frustrated because I wanted to do a deep side swoop low ponytail, and it wasn't coming out like that. In fact, I thought I blocked them. Like, I wish you can block Flow and Digital and, you know, providers from sending. Anyways, yeah, it wasn't coming out like that, and I sat down on the bed and I was like, now I get why people smoke a pack of cigarettes a day. Now I get why females get stressed off and cut off their hair. So I pulled myself together after a minute of sitting on the bed, and then I just decided to do a middle part, and I like it a lot, so I'm excited. I'm content. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs because I don't want to. This is what it looks like. Stripe or a Smirnoff. The Smirnoff Ice. I've been wanting one for so long. Like this one I've never tried before. This one is a watermelon flavored. I never tried a watermelon flavor before, but I really like the Smirnoff Ice. I like the Sorrel. I think it's Red Stripe Sorrel or Smirnoff. Anyways, I like the Sorrel one. Obviously the Smirnoff Ice, like the green one and the red looking one. I'm sorry, I don't remember right now. They're nice. They're really, really nice. It reminded me, these are the closest thing to the beers in Germany, which is amazing. The beers in Germany are delicious. Like, they had them in vending machines. They had the beers in vending machines. They were amazing. And I know Japan has a bunch of vending machines for everything. You can find anything in a vending machine in Japan. But in Germany, they had beers in the vending machines. I thought it was so cool. And they were delicious. They were so good. America has the nastiest beers. I'm sorry, American beer, like, I'm gonna really like Heineken. I'm gonna like Guinness. Ooh, this actually does have a watermelon thing to it. I'm gonna try to look at the ingredients. But anyways, I got it at the gas station by the boulevard. That's where I am right now. My little mask thing. My mommy is sending some N95 masks for me, so I can't wait to get those. Like, no amount of like shipping, no amount of clothes from any clothing company can express or show, or I don't even know the words right now, how much I want those masks to come. Interacting with people nowadays is like, I don't know who have corona, who don't have corona. You know? Plus I have a picture. Sorry, I'm just downing that. I have a picture of, I'll put it up on the screen if I'm in the mood to put it up on the screen. Showing you that, like, the different qualities and what to really expect from the type of mask that you wear. Like this not doing nothing. This isn't doing anything really. Like, this isn't doing anything. The N95, there's a surgical mask, and then there's another mask that were like the top three, and then everything after that was terrible. But like I said, I'll insert the picture. I screenshot it because I wanted to share it with some of my Instagram followers. But anyways, at this point I'm rambling. I'm going to look at some more places. Yes, I'm looking at places right now. Don't judge me. I have to. But I am staying safe. Hopefully I can get something before the 1st of May. January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, April, May is coming up. Bye. Look at these people's mango tree. Isn't it beautiful? I love mangoes. I love all fruits, but mangoes are amazing. And I wish I had a mango tree. I had a mango tree when I was growing up. Well, when I lived in Portmore. Yeah, I used to live in Portmore before I moved to America. It's so pretty. Anyways, I'll be right back.